So I don't know if you can see my finger, how it's kind of bruised and kind of battered a little bit. If I bend it, this is about as much as I can bend it. I can straighten it to about 80 degrees or so. And that's because whether I sprained it or I broke it, I certainly injured it pretty well 2 days ago. I play this game called Ultimate Football. It's absolutely one of the most wonderful things that I do these days. Just so much fun. But I had a massage that I just gave 2 days after, and or really a day and a half since then. And I just wanted to talk about it a little bit because I'm in the middle of giving the massage, and it just kind of hits me that, wow, even though I'm pretty much injured with a broken finger here, I can still give a Thai massage. And just yet another amazing benefit to this massage is how you can do it even with a broken digit. And why is that? Well, if you don't know much about Thai massage, it's because as much as possible, you want to rely as little on your hands as possible. And even when you use your hands, you really don't use your digits, your fingers, or that front part of your hand very much at all, because it's just not really sound body mechanics to use your hands that way. You use the heel of your hand or the back of your hand. Now in this case I can't really use the back of my hand because I can't bend this hand really to do it, so that part's out. But like I said, because in a Thai massage you really get so much more out of using your forearms and your elbows, your knees and your feet, I could give an entire massage and really not even be concerned at all that I'm going to injure my hand anymore, or that I can't give her as much and as good a massage that I'm used to giving and that she's used to receiving, just because I have a broken hand. So I just wanted to share that amazing bit of news and that, you know, amazing aspect of Thai massage. And how does that work? Well, yes, as I said, you're using all the different parts of your body, and you're also putting people in guided stretches that, so that, basically that's another way that you're not really using your hands very much, because you're simply guiding them into it. And in my case, it's not like I can't hold something with the base of my hand, so I will certainly say that. And that part of my hand is important to help put people in some of those stretches. But, the fact is, because this is such a diverse kind of massage where you get to use all these different parts of your body, you get to rely less on your hands and more on other parts to give your massage, that, as I said, you can pretty much do anything. So just a quick one today to say, like, wow, how cool is it that with this massage, and I suppose in so many ways, really, what I've often felt about Thai massage, the word massage on the end is really just a word of convenience, because in the West, we just have this identification with massage, but it's really so much more than a massage, or really quite different from what we think of as a standard massage, and this would be one of them, because really in table work, in most kinds of massage, you absolutely have a huge reliance on your hands, and you would want to protect them at all costs, because if you injured it like the way I've injured mine, then chances are you'd be way more impeded in what you could do when you're giving the massage. And and if we just talk a couple more seconds here, really it is the whole yoga component, it is the stretching component, it is the everything should really feel at least as good for you, the giver, as it is for the person, receiver kind of philosophy and approach to this form of body work that make it unique, that in my opinion really have it stand out as this incredible exchange, really. And it is an exchange, because as I said, if it doesn't feel at least as good for you as it does for them, then I'm of the opinion that there's really no point in doing this. And in fact, that's not even just for me, the receiver, or me, the giver, but actually for that person, the receiver. Because when you have to struggle, when you have to be in some kind of pain or some kind of discomfort because you're giving a massage, that gets transmitted in some kind of way to them. So even if you're helping to get rid of some kind of knot or some kind of pain or some discomfort, and you hear them just kind of being in some feeling of ecstasy while receiving the massage, if you are struggling and hurting while you're doing it, on some level that is transmitted, and And I see that happen all the time, that as good as you think the massage is because you're helping that person, if you adjust, if you use the parts of your body, if you use your body in an intelligent way that has you just feeling good, then they feel it that much better. So just take that, run with it. And I hope you've been enjoying, as I'm talking here, little snippets that show you, how you use your different parts of your body, why it's not an inconvenience. But as I said, in my case, I have this really obvious example of I can't use that finger at all. I can't use the back of my hand, and I shouldn't massage with it. But even if it's the subtle things like your knee or your back or some part of your body is feeling some kind of strain or tension, or you just get some kind of insight that says, oh, if I move myself over just a tiny bit more, I'm going to feel so much better in giving the massage, then you honor that. You do that and you work from there. Okay, any questions, any comments? I would love to hear from you. You want to check out more ways that you can massage without using your hands, check out the playlist here, and also just come and visit my website, stilllightcenter.com. And in fact, right on the home page with my brand new website, you will see a shoulder massage that I give you, and it just so happens that is a hands-free shoulder massage. So you can learn for free right away what I'm talking about. And until soon, I just want to wish you amazing massages. Namaste.